As an Indian passport holder, one of the most important steps in your international travel journey is checking the status of your visa application. Whether it's for a tourist visa, work permit, student visa, or any other type, keeping track of your visa status ensures a smooth trip. But how do you check it? Let's break it down. First up, the United States. If you've applied for a U.S. visa, you can check the status through the U.S. Department of State's Consular Electronic Application Center. All you need is your DS-160 barcode and passport number. Alternatively, you can call the U.S. Embassy or Consulate in India for assistance or email them with your application details for an update. Next, for the United Kingdom. Head to the official 𝐜𝐨𝐧𝐭 website for visa applications. Enter your GWF number and your date of birth to check your status. If you're looking for additional help, you can contact UK Visas and Immigration by phone or email for further assistance. For Canadian visas, visit the Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada (IRCC) website. You can log into your IRCC account or use the Check Status tool with your application number. You can also call the IRCC call center or submit an email through their web form for any updates. If you're traveling to the Schengen area, the process may vary. If you applied through VFS Global, simply visit their website and enter your reference number and birth date to track your status. Alternatively, contact the specific embassy or consulate of the Schengen country you applied to, or email them directly for updates. Heading to Australia? Log into your IMI account on the Australian Department of Home Affairs website and use your application ID to check the status. You can also reach out to the Australian Visa Application Centre or send an email to the Australian High Commission for further help. For a Singapore visa, use the Immigration and Checkpoints Authority (ICA) website's e-service. Simply input your passport number, application number, and date of birth. If you need more assistance, contact the ICA directly by phone or email for support. Here are some general tips to keep in mind while checking your visa status. Always have your passport number, application ID, and other important documents ready. Check your visa status regularly, especially as your travel date approaches. Make sure you're using official embassy, consulate, or visa center channels for accurate information. And remember, visa processing times can vary, so be patient and allow enough time for your application to be processed. Checking your visa status is an essential part of your travel planning. By following these simple steps, you'll stay informed and ready for your journey. Safe travels, and happy exploring! For the most up-to-date information, always refer to the official government websites or authorized visa centers. Until next time, happy travels!